In this video, we want to talk about how to machine open pockets. That is, pockets where the tool path is on the outside of the contour rather than on the inside. In this example, we want to remove all the material around this raised boss out to the edge of the block. If we do this in the normal manner, we move up to NC, down to 2-axis, and over to Pocket. Select Pocket, and we're ready to begin. I'm going to chain the outside boundary here, then also chain the profile of the boss. Click on Done, and our tool information appears. We have tool number 1, 1/2-inch end mill. Moving over to cut control, we have a 1-inch depth of cut, 1/4 inch at a time, with the lead in and lead out move of arc on final. Click on OK, and now SURFCAM asks us to click inside a pocket. Click inside the pocket, and there's our tool path. If we look at it from a top view, you can see that the tool path does not extend out beyond the boundary of the outer perimeter. If we look at this in verification, we'll be able to see this very clearly. Slow the speed down and start. You can see the tool path plunging into the material to begin and then working its way to the outside. When we finished, we have 4 pieces of material left in the corners, but we have machined the entire part. If you don't want that material in the corner, there's a very easy way to fix it. First, we get out of verification, go back to the Operations Manager, and we're going to regenerate the tool path and reselect the geometry. I'm going to accept the same parameters that we had before, click on OK, and we can begin again. This time we're going to have a difference. Up here at the top we have a button that says Part. This is the material that you want to remain after the cut. In this case, we want the boss to be left standing after the cut. So I'm going to chain the boss using the part selection. The material I want to remove is outside of this boss. I'm going to click on the material button here and chain the outer profile. This is material that's going to be taken away. Once we've done this, we can click on the word Done, and then once again click inside the pocket. Click inside the pocket, and there's our new tool path. If we look at it from the top, you can see the tool path goes beyond the edge of the material, and all entry moves and exit moves from the part will be taken from outside of the material, working their way inward. We can see the effect of this if we go back to the verification button and run the simulation again. As you can see, we're starting on the outside of the cut each time, working our way inwards, and when we reach final depth, we won't have those 4 posts standing up in the middle.